What's going on here is absolutely crazy. I've never seen it before. What they've got at this company is a full-time feel-good manager. Guts' entire role is to go around ensuring that everybody feels good. I've never seen it before. They've only got 107 or 8 people, and they've got a full-time person as a feel-good manager.
My job is the safety for the worker and the health for the workers, and I think the connection between the boss and the workers.
So you're a qualified physiotherapist, but you're also almost a counsellor. You talk to people, you get to know their problems.
The people come to me in the morning maybe, and I can help in time, or they come one time a week. They can come to me for prevent. Also, and the workers can in working time come to me.
Oh, so they can come during working time?
Yeah.
That's amazing. So when I first heard about your job today, I thought, oh, that costs a lot of money. But what's the benefits to the company?
It's very simple. We cut down the sick days by 50%.
And I take it that there's a lower staff turnover as well, because people are happier, people can talk about their problems, they can come to you and you can help them.
Yeah, I think you can see it. If you go, you can see the smile in the face of the workers.
Deep breath. And out. Out. Okay.
So when we think of a manufacturing or a production environment, we always think about preventative maintenance. And we think of preventative maintenance for machines or equipment, but they're actually doing preventative maintenance with their people and with their team. That's why they have a high-performing, successful, lean culture.